Welcome. This is Dr. Nishikant Patwa for NE24. Under the Pradhan Mantri Matritwa Suraksha Yojana, health checkups of pregnant mothers are conducted on the 9th of every month at the Udharban Block Primary Health Center. This month is no exception. About 160 pregnant women attended and underwent health checkups on Monday. Retired gynecologist Dr. Subrata Nandi examined the health of pregnant women in that camp. In addition, medical officers of the Udharban Block Primary Health Center, Dr. Arjun Prasad Gwala and Dr. Naika Taran also examined the health. Later, in conversation with NE24 journalist Nihar Kanti Roy, he explained in detail how he and his other associates are working to make the scheme launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi a reality. Retired eminent gynecologist Dr. Subrata Nandi said that after retirement, he felt the desire to do something for the society. BPM in charge Salek Ahmad, BAM Rupali Deb, B. Avinandan Nath, along with other doctors and medical staffs were present at the camp that day. Report by Nihar Kanti Roy from Udharban Block Primary Health Center. For more updates and news, subscribe our channel NE24 YouTube and support us by our following page.
আমি এখনো কাজ করতে পারি তাই ভাবলাম কেন সরকারের মানে জনসেবা করব না তাই মাসে একদিন এসে এখানে জনসেবা করি মায়েদের দেখাশোনা করে যাই